Right now we're working on a 410A 3-ton. Today we're going to show you how to do a pump down. Okay, we already have the gauges on, and what he's going to do, Ramon's going to do, is going to shut off the high side gauge first. Okay, using a special tool to shut off. And as you can see here, we got the pressures. Okay, for our 410A, and for the high side and for the low side. So he's going to wait until they go into a vacuum past 0, and then he's going to shut off the high side first. Once this reaches a vacuum, then the blue is going to go into a vacuum, and then he's going to shut off the blue. So we're going to demonstrate that for you now. So he's going to go ahead and shut off the high, the red. So he's shutting off the red, as you can see, and keeping his eye on the gauges. So now it's going to a vacuum. Now he's going to wait so the red is shut off. Now it's starting his blue on the blue side. He's going to crack it a little bit, and now he's going to wait until they both go past 0, and until the blue goes past into a vacuum, PSIA. Alright, he's going to wait. Okay, as you can see that. Now he's pumping all the Freon into the condenser. Do a vacuum, and it's going to go ahead and shut it down. Keeping your eye on the gauges. Okay, so now he's going to turn off the electricity. For the electricity, now keep your eye on the gauges and make sure that they don't pass 0. If they pass 0, means that there could be something wrong inside the compressor itself. That the low side is going into the high side, and the high side is going into the low side. As long as he's below a vacuum and holds it more than 5 minutes, then he's good.